Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur part of a video in CapCut Mobile. Also in this video I'm going to show you how to make the blur effect move around with the subject in the video. If you're new here, I'm Michael and welcome to my CapCut tutorial where we cover from basic to complex video editing using CapCut. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open CapCut on your mobile phone and create a new project. Once you have created a new project, you're going to see your video in your timeline. So you can scroll around your video to know where you want to add your blur effect. I'm going to add the blur effect where I am pointing at my face, so somewhere here is good. Once you found your starting point, you want to tap on your video in your timeline and then split the video. You want to scroll to the position where you want the blur effect to end and then split the video. Select the crop video you want to add the blur effect to and then come all the way down to the bottom. Scroll till you find the duplicates. Tap on duplicates. It's going to duplicate and select the new duplicate. While the duplicate is selected, tap on overlay. This will overlay the video. Now you want to tap and hold on this and scroll all the way till it matches up with the video in your timeline. The next thing you want to do is tap on back. You want to drag this to the starting point where you want to add your blur effects. Now come to this section and tap on effects and then tap on video effects. To find the blur effect, tap on lens and you should see blur. Tap on blur and then tap on the check mark. This will add a blur effect on your timeline. The red line you see above is the overlay. You can crop the blur effect by holding the edge and then dragging it till it matches your time frame. Now while here, you can increase the intensity of the blur by tapping on the blur and you see adjust. Tap on adjust. Here you'll be able to adjust the intensity of your blur. You will have noticed that there is no changes on the video yet. Now what you want to do is tap on back and then you're going to see the overlay button. Tap on it and you should see your overlay. Now tap on the overlay and then scroll till you find mask. Tap on mask. You should see all the masking shapes that you can use. You can select any one depending on the shape of what you want to mask. So since we want to mask a face, we are going to choose this cycle. And you see a blur effect on the background. Now do not worry. What you want to do, marry this cycle till it matches up with the face. You can draw and adjust the shape until it is properly centered in the video. Now once you have done that, to blur this part of the video, you want to come to this section where it says invert and tap on invert. And this will blur out only the face. So now when you play the video, this will show you a preview of the blurred video. So to make the blur effect move around the subject, you want to carry out the same steps on that part of the video. I've gone ahead to add an overlay and a blur effect. So what you want to do this time around is tap on the overlay and then you want to go to the start of the overlay. Then come to the bottom and scroll till you find mask. Tap on mask and you'll be able to move your mask around. So this is what I want you to do when you get to this step. The motion you want to take is you want to come to the beginning of your overlay where the effect starts showing. And at the very start, you want to come to this section. You're going to see the keyframe button. Now tap on this button to add a keyframe. Once you've done that, tap on this to bring this down. So this is what you want to do. You want to move around the video. And when you move around, you're going to see the option to add more keyframes. Or while adding these keyframes, you want to make sure that your cycle is properly aligned with your face. So I'm just going to adjust this section a little and make it properly fit with the face. So once you have done that, you've added a keyframe automatically. When you move it around, you add a keyframe. Move the video around and then move your effects with the face. A keyframe is automatically going to be added. Move around again, and when you see that the face is moving outside of that frame, you want to drag and move around with the face. So you can keep doing this till you have properly maxed out the face area. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this. So when you're done adding all the keyframe, you can move around the video to see how well it has properly tracked the movement of the subject. If you're satisfied with the effect, you can come back here and tap on invert. This will blur out the part of the video that you wanted to blur. So once you're done blurring, don't forget to mute the audio of the overlay you've duplicated. You can tap on the overlay and then you see volume. Tap on volume and then drag it all the way to mute. You can do the same for the other one by tapping on it and muting it. So you can go ahead to finish up your edit and export your video. Thank you guys for watching this video on how to blur part of a video in CapCut Mobile, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.